Connecting a new device to your HSBC account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Access the HSBC app. Download the HSBC mobile app from your device's App Store if you haven't already. Open the app and log in with your existing credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu within the app. This is usually found in the Profile or Account section. Step 3. Select Device Management. In the Settings menu, find the option for Device Management or Security Settings. This is where you can add or manage devices linked to your account. Step 4. Add new device. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm and finish. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once confirmed, your new device will be connected, and you can start using it to access your HSBC account. By following these steps, you can easily connect a new device to your HSBC account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HSBC customer support for assistance.